Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search for Gmail and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.